Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the job site. Hey, we started a new job here. We had some big old oak tree fell through the roof, so we're fixing drywall and the insulation in here. Kind of easy job, real quick, only about 8 sheets of drywall. But we got to tape it, mud it, bop it, and all that good stuff. So take a look, see what we got going on. Pretty simple, just 8 sheets of drywall, 8 foot, ½ inch, going on the ceiling.
Oh yeah, I want to put this on 4-foot sheet. So I should take a break? Yeah. Glued and screwed.
Glued and screwed. We demoed all this out yesterday. I went to the dump this morning. We're at 400 pounds of drywall and insulation. So now we got it all cleaned out. It aired out overnight. And
Friendship. Best coffee in the world.
so we're get some insulation going on and get our new drywall going back up here. We already got 1 sheet in. Sinks in right behind that piece of wood real nice. We'll just caulk that real beautiful. And this part stays, so looking good. There ain't much to it.
Look like found a hole in a...
Yeah, we'll fix it. Alright, let's roll.
You know, good luck.
Alright, Vern. One more piece right here. We'll tape it for over the weekend. Hopefully it'll be dry on Monday. This came out pretty nice. Nice and flat. It's all repaired. Looks good.
Go right to the siding.
Yeah.
I
got like 39.5. What?
Chalk line?
Yeah, you got one?
I'll make it 3/8.
Looks good. It's nice and flat over there. That probably worked then. Yeah. Yeah. Glued and screwed. Alright, America, that's how you fix a hole. And we got our tape going. Mike's taping over there. Roll up these, we got 2 joints, a couple cross butt joints. Let her dry and fly. Alright, Vern, we have got 3 coats on, and we're mixing our mud to stomp the ceiling, make a texture up there. That's what we got. Here's my drill. I didn't have my big drill. I think I smoked that guy. Alright, let's take a look. Take a look at these trees, guys. They are huge. Huge trees. That's where a branch came off of that second tree and went through the roof.
You make a big canoe out of that one.
That was the old one. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see it as good as I can see it, but it's totally looking awesome. We got that half done, working on this half. Got to go around that light. And that's just bopping the hell out of it. Need some bebopping music.
Yeah.
Right? Get in the mood. Awesome. And here's where we matched up over here. Looks perfect. Cool. Alright guys, we're going to end this video here. There ain't much to it. We're bopping this. We got to clean up. And we're out of here. Stay tuned guys. I got more videos coming up. We got some siding, a house, metal siding on that, metal roofing, framing, a lot of framing. So keep in touch and subscribe. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.